Hi, it's Anne. Welcome back. So this is the the next to last section on how to list your first listing to open your Etsy shop, and we left off at shop sections. You can break your shop down into sections. So I can have, for example, add your first section. My first section here would be blue beads. Okay, that's an example. You can have up to 20 sections. And for the moment, it's optional, but for the moment, when you start having a lot of items, it helps people to navigate your shop. So let me just go back to my shop here. And we will see here all the categories I have. So I have my beads here sorted by colors. Okay. Black, blue, green. And I also have a category for my lampwork tutorials and some for leather, which leather cords I sell, which are again broken down by shape, so that are flat leather straps. So you can choose whatever you want, whatever makes more sense. Okay. Then you have the tags. So with the tags, just as with the title, you're going to have to research which keywords you want to use, and I'm not going to go into that right now. But you can use up to 13 tags, and each tag can be 20 characters in English, and in different languages it can be more. I think in French it's 30, because the language it is different. So, for example, if I hear blue lampwork beads and I click add, okay, and I think I see I made a typo, so I'm going to do it again. Blue lampwork beads. Okay, that works. It's less than 20 characters here. If I say small round beads, I'm not saying you have to use these keywords. I would have to research them. But what I'm saying is that you actually have to use all the keywords, all the tags that you are given. Etsy will penalize shops who do not use the full number of tags, okay? But at the same time, they have to be well chosen. So I'm not going to do that right now, but know that these are absolutely crucial for your shop to be found. Materials optional, so you can say what these beads are made of, and here they are made of glass and silver. Okay. At the moment, Etsy isn't using materials to search for items, but that again can change. So it's better to use them to fill them in as much as you can. Okay, and so this is the second section that we've completed, and I'll break here and see you in the next video. So don't forget to register before you go and check the freebies that are below this video. Au revoir!